Hey friends, in this tutorial I'll be discussing about how to add the two numbers in C programming. So here is a compiler which is a Turbo C++ 3.5 version. First of all, I'll start with entering the header files such as studio.h and conio.h. What it does is studio.h is used for in the header file, in this studio.h header file, there will be printf statement, scanf statement and all. Well, this conio.h is used so that I can clear the screen every time I compile so that it won't get messy. And this is also used for using get statement, get character. What it does is that when you compile and when you print the output and all, it won't display if you don't give the catch. If you give the return and all, it won't display. It just pops up and goes out. Only and then you have to do Alt F5 to display the screen. But if you give the catch statement, you need not have to do that one. And now void main. It's now always remember when void main comes, the program actually starts when this void main comes. Initializing the number 1 and initializing number 2, or else you can just give directly like number 2. What I did now is in this program I'm gonna be adding two numbers and I'll be outputting the result. So I just gave the number 1 and number 2, and in the next one I'm gonna give the result. I initialize the result now. Everything is over, like initialization of two numbers and printing the result. What I need to do in this program, like for example, I'll just tell you 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Initialization is over. I need 3 and I have these 3 initialized. And now printing the statement like enter the number 1. It's gonna enter, and you have to save that number in form of percentage %d, and you have to save it in address of number 1. We will be discussing this later, what this specifically means and all. Printf enter the num2. Okay, and again scanf percentage %d, and then this one you save it in ampersand of number 2, which is the address of number 2. Ampersand always means number 2. Always remember, like ampersand, 1 ampersand means that it is a address, and 2 ampersand means that it is a and. This is a and symbol, and this is a ampersand symbol, which is a address. And for this one, this is called or. We are going to be using those later. And now I've initialized number 1. What I'm gonna enter here will be saved here, and then what I'm gonna enter here will be saved here. So I got these. What about the result? For doing that result, I'll just print out the as already installed result. Now I'm giving the formula, mathematical formula, simple one, num1 plus num2. Now the formula is done, and these num1, address of num1 and address of num2, those values that I've entered will be added and will be stored in the result. Now all I need to do is display it now. Printf the sum of percentage %d and percentage %d is percentage %d. Yeah, now this statement means no meaning. Like here also percentage %d is there, here also percentage %d is there. What does this mean? Remember, the order that you give here actually makes the meaning perfect for this program. Like see here, percentage %d. First, the sum of this and this, meaning percentage %d of num1 So I'm gonna give num1 first, and then num2, and then I'm gonna give the result. What this means is that the sum of percentage t, which is num1, and the sum of percentage t, which is this one, which should be displayed here, is percentage d. Here whatever the result is saved, it will be displayed using this one. And finally, I'll go for the catch statement so that it won't get messy. Alt F9, no errors, compile it. Yeah, this one. As I told, why I use conio statement. After initialization, you just have to enter CLR SCR, which is clear screen. Now if I compile, no error. See here, no like last time, which is a result. It won't show the last time result. It will clear the screen and then it will display the next data. So let me see, like I'm gonna give 22 number 2, enter the number 2 is 22 44. The sum of 22 and 22 is 44. Due to this clear screen, it will clear the screen all the time whenever you compile. I'll just see like 2 and 3 5, like that. You can use as many as you want, like write your own program. Just remember, you won't touch anything, just numbers you need to give, like 23 is 46, like that. If you touch anything, for example control or something, or any other variables, if you cancel, it's gonna show a error message. I'll show you that one too. Like I just give 2 space and I backspace and I give 22, it's gonna give an error. This is what it's about. Do not do anything, just do exactly like 2 2 4. That's it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like it.